Windows Global Support. How to fix a Dell laptop that won't turn on. Step 1. Check the power supply. Also make sure that your computer is firmly plugged into its socket. Step 2. Check your laptop charger. Ensure that you are using the right type of charger for your laptop. Step 3. Test it with the spare charger. This helps you ascertain that the current charger is not causing the trouble. Step 4. Check the laptop battery power. Make sure the laptop battery has some charge in it. Step 5. Shut down your laptop. Step 6. Wait a couple of minutes. Then restart it. Step 7. Disconnect external accessories. Disconnect all external devices, including monitors, cameras and so on. This way, you can make sure that they are not preventing your laptop from booting properly. Step 8. Verify that the display is functional. Ensure that your laptop's screen display is functional. If your laptop's power LED is working and you can hear the hard disk or fans whirring, but you cannot see an image on the screen, the actual problem could be with the display. Step 9. In case you are not very comfortable working with PCs, or if all the above-mentioned steps failed, you need to get it manually fixed by a Windows certified technician or by calling Windows Global Support 1-800-857-2133. Describe the issue as best as you can and let them handle the problem. Call now to get rid of computer problems. Global Phone Support 1-800-857-2133. Windows Global Support